Meaning of indiscriminately.
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 Indiscriminately. The word indiscriminately means to do something without making any distinction or judgment. It can also mean to do so in a haphazard or random manner. For example, using force indiscriminately during a protest means using it without taking into account who is involved or whether they are peaceful or not. The result of acting indiscriminately can be chaotic and potentially harmful. It increases the risk of hurting innocent people or causing damage unnecessarily. Therefore, it is important to be careful and thoughtful when making decisions or taking actions.